Let's take another look at our Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We are continuing to monitor rain that's moving through the area into the early morning hours. Let's check back in now with meteorologist Grace Anello. She's over in the Storm Tracker Weather Center tonight monitoring all of this. Grace.
Yeah, Brittany, so what we're seeing here in the Tennessee Valley is actually a part of a much larger system, all ahead of a cold front that's beginning to make its way through the Twin States. So you can see that we are seeing rain as well as storms pushing through not only the Tennessee Valley, but also much of Mississippi, all the way through Kosciuszko and down to the river as well. So now this is going to move across our area tonight and bring even more rain into our region in the overnight hours. At least now for what we're seeing is rain in Morgan County. We're also seeing plenty of rain west of the corridor and in some of our southern counties as well. As we head through the rest of this evening, though, what we'll see is more showers and more storms coming to effect than we're seeing now. All right, well, let's take a look at our sky cameras. The sun now long since set, but you can still see the dense cloud cover in several of our cities. All of this telling us that there's plenty of instability, which is going to help the atmosphere with those thunderstorms. All right, well, let's get a check of your bedtime temperatures. Conditions are actually variable across the northern part of the state. We're sitting at 51 degrees in Athens, warmer at 57 in Decatur, and then much cooler at 49 in Fort Payne. So all of us seeing a little bit of variability, but either way, when you head out the door, you're going to want to bring the jacket with you this evening, especially because we're only going to see those temperatures go down from here. As we head into the wee hours of the morning, we see those chances for storms increase. So we will see more rain through the wee hours, even into first thing on Sunday morning. Our temperatures are going to fall to the upper 40s for many of us, the mid 40s for some, and then we'll start to rise again. Of course, all of this, like we talked about, ahead of a low pressure system and a moving cold front that's going to drop our temperatures in the coming days. All right, so let's talk about exactly what you can expect. This puts us just under an hour from now at 11:30, continuing to see that scattered but heavy nature of rain on your Saturday. By the time we get to 4 a.m. on Sunday, many of us are seeing heavy downpours. We could see a thunderstorm or two at this point, and we will see plenty of rain as well. So don't be surprised if you get woken up by rumble of thunder early on Sunday morning. When you wake up at 7 a.m., most of that heavy rain is going to be pushed south towards Birmingham and east towards Georgia, but we will still see rain and drizzle in our western counties. Some of that heavy rain still staying with us in our south and eastern counties. By the time we get to lunchtime on your Sunday, it's just drizzles that are in our forecast, but plenty of cloud cover stays present. So most of your Sunday will have cloud cover. By the time we get later in the afternoon, it will just be drizzle. Fast forward to just after dinner time, we'll even start to see a little bit of clearing in that cloud cover, which means that we'll have a beautiful Monday on tap. So just to back it up, what you'll see first thing in the morning is plenty of rain for your Sunday. We'll see those temperatures gradually warm, reaching to the mid 50s by 10 a.m. We're keeping those shower and storm chances strong with us first thing in the morning. As we head into the afternoon, though, we see those chances dip off into a drizzle. So your evening on Sunday really is dry, albeit cloudy. All of this bringing us to Monday with a cooler high temperature and mostly sunny skies. Now, we talked about that cold front. What does that mean? Well, that means our overnight low temperatures are going to dip back into the 30s by the time we get to midweek this week. So we are tracking quite the change on that front. Even still, we'll still have rain on your Sunday. Beautiful conditions on Monday and Tuesday. Those colder temperatures stay with us. By the time we get to Wednesday, we reintroduce cloud cover, and then Thursday reintroduces that storm chance ahead of some more sunshine coming again next weekend.